In a TVJ News follow-up now, the two police constables who successfully delivered a baby in the back of their service vehicle in January were presented with awards of excellence by the Customs of Manchester Garfield Green. The constables, who are attached to the Mandeville Patrol Unit, responded to a distress call from a pregnant woman on January 9 after the vehicle in which she was traveling broke down en route to the hospital. Constables Ronaldo Clark and Nick Roy Niche were on highway patrol when they received the call. Custos Green commended the constables at the virtual ceremony yesterday.
As Custos, I therefore consider it appropriate and timely to recognize you and to say thanks for your commitment and professionalism in serving the citizens within this parish. Your act will always be remembered, and who knows, you may even encourage a child to serve this country in a way similar as the way you are doing now.
I do hope that the public will not only see us police as persons who issue tickets or being abusers. Because many persons see us as that. But we are there to serve, protect, and to reassure.
I'm glad that I could have served and acted professionally, and persons could feel proud that a police officer is doing his job, and we are really here to serve them, and that's what I'm here to do, and I'll continue to doing that. And I thank you all for your kind words, and I'll continue to serve, protect, and reassure.